Is your Eco Show showing a black and white image? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Turn on color inversion. When you see black and white images on Amazon Eco Show, turn on color inversion. To turn on color inversion on an Eco Show, you can swipe down from the top of the screen. Select Settings. Select Accessibility. Tap the color inversion switch to On. Method 2. Adjust brightness. To adjust the brightness on an Eco Show, you can say Go to Settings or swipe down from the top of the screen and select Settings. Select Display. Adjust brightness using the slider. Toggle adaptive brightness on or off. Adaptive brightness automatically adjusts the screen brightness based on the ambient light. Turning off adaptive brightness can brighten up the screen. Method 3. Restart the device. The next thing you can do is restart the Alexa Eco Show device. Unplug the power adapter from the device or the outlet. Wait for about 3 minutes. Plug the power adapter back into the device or outlet. Method 4. Use original Amazon Eco Show adapter. For the best experience with your Amazon Eco Show, always opt for the original adapter. Using third-party adapters can result in screen malfunctions and other performance issues. To ensure your device runs smoothly and lasts longer, stick with the trusted original accessories. Investing in the right adapter helps you avoid potential complications and keeps your Eco Show functioning at its best. Method 5. Check for software updates. You can try to update software using Alexa and see if this helps fixing the issue. You can simply say, Alexa, check for software updates. If this does not fix the issue, then move on to the next step. Method 6. Reset the device. Next, you can reset the device. Press and hold the mute button and the volume down button simultaneously for about 15 seconds until the Amazon logo appears. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device again. Method 7. Contact Amazon support. If none of the methods work, contact Amazon support for further assistance. If you continue to experience issues, it might be a hardware problem and you may need to consider getting a replacement device. And there you have it, the method to fix the issue when Amazon Eco Show is showing black and white images. We hope the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about which method has solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.